how to change your Depop password online. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is simply get into your depop.com, and then from here what you're going to do is simply make sure that you're logged into your account. So you can either use the application version of it, it really does not matter as long as you are logged into your account. So simply tap on the menu bar on the top left right here, then you can simply tap on login right here and then add in all of the credentials of your account, then log into your account. So after successfully logging into your account, you can now again get into the dashboard of Depop just like this. From here you need to now tap on your account, and then from your account you can simply from here you'll actually need to tap on the profile, and then from your profile you'll be able to get the settings icon, which is the gear-like icon. Tap on that one, and then from there you can get into account, and then if you scroll down a bit you can get password. Tap on password, then enter your current password on it, and then enter your new password. Retype your new password in order to confirm it, and then you can tap on save, and just like this you'll successfully be able to change your Depop password online. So that's it.